Hey everyone! In this video, we're showing how to use Turbolearn AI to study smarter, faster, and more effectively using the latest features. Turbolearn is one of the most advanced AI learning assistants right now, designed to summarize notes, quiz us, and personalize our study sessions. Once we log in at turbolearn.ai, we'll see a dashboard where we can upload PDFs, paste lecture notes, or import files from Google Drive. After uploading, Turbolearn automatically extracts key concepts and creates interactive summaries. We can click Study Mode, where the AI breaks everything into flashcards, quizzes, and review notes. The cool part is the adaptive engine. It learns from how we answer questions and adjusts the difficulty accordingly. If we get something wrong, Turbolearn immediately generates an explanation with examples and follow-up questions. There's also a focus mode, which blocks distractions and provides short study bursts based on Pomodoro method. We can even toggle AI tutoring and let us ask questions in real time, such as explain this formula in simpler terms, or give a summary of this topic. Once finished, it tracks our progress, showing weak areas and improvement trends. For students looking to organize everything in one place, Turbolearn is a must-have. It's efficient, smart, and designed for real learning outcomes. This has been how to really make things smart and simple and scam-free.